Okay, everybody, we got all the injectors off, and as you can see here, I got all the new parts, and I'm gonna explain a little bit of these parts. So we got all the O-rings for the injectors. We're gonna replace all the O-rings that go here, and also we're gonna replace the cups. This is the injector cups. So we're gonna remove the old ones and install new ones, and this is the part number on that sleeve or cup. I just got this brand new tools from Caterpillar. This is the removal tool, and this is the installer tool. Here's the part numbers of both of them. Installer, there's the part number, and the remover tool. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is remove the old caps or sleeves, and then we'll go from there.